Hi, I'm Brad from AmeriGutter. I started the company back in 1997, and since then we've installed over 1 million feet of gutters and gutter guards. This right here is our best gutter guard called Gutter Glove Pro. It is a stainless steel micro mesh filter on a heavy gauge aluminum housing. The filter is attached to the housing at the factory. It's crimped on. It is not glued on like our competitors. The glue will fade over time and the filters tend to fall off. This is an aluminum housing, not a plastic or vinyl housing, so it's going to last a lifetime. It's also anodized aluminum, so it doesn't interact with other metals like copper. The stainless steel filter has very, very fine holes in it. It will not let anything but water in, not even dirt gets in. We're going to show you just how this gets installed on your roof. So I'm going to show you an example of installing it on existing gutters. We can also change and replace the gutters if need be with new gutters as well. But in this instance, we're going to install them on existing gutters. First, we would clean them all out, check all the hangers. If any of them are loose, we would resecure them, add screws to them. Then we take the gutter glove and we just simply slide it underneath the shingle. We do not lift the shingle and we do not screw underneath the shingle, so there's no potential of damaging your roof. And then the guard gets screwed through the front lip of the gutter into the front lip of the gutter with self-tapping screws. Now, if you don't like the idea of going up underneath your roof shingle, or if you have a metal roof or a slate roof where we can't go underneath the roof shingle, the guard is designed by the manufacturer to be cut down. It has these cut lines, and this is one that I've already cut down smaller so that we can install it flat against the fascia board. So instead of going underneath the roof, we go up against the fascia board just above the gutter and we pop it in, and then we screw it to the front lip. So there's no need to go underneath the shingles. We also offer a heated version of the gutter guard. This one has a slot in it. We run the wire through the slot down the downspout. That prevents your downspouts from freezing. It prevents ice and snow from building up on the gutter guard, and it prevents icicles and dripping in the wintertime. If you're in the Mass or Rhode Island or Connecticut area, give us a call. We'll come over and give you a free estimate. We don't use any high pressure sales tactics, and we guarantee all our work.